Never up, never down, never. Like a flame in a
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review. This company called Bedstory sent me some items. I have already worked with this company and agreed to work with them again. They have very high quality products. I totally am 100% behind. So that is why I wanted to try out some other products for you guys and show you what I think. So real quick, in the previous video, they sent me mattress covers and they also sent me a pillow. Amazing. Today they sent me 2 queen size down alternative pillows. I am really excited to try these. It comes in a 2-pack and they are vacuum sealed. I don't know why I really enjoy vacuum sealed items because when they fluff out, it's just one of those things. It's just amazing. I don't know. So anyways, they sent me 2 of these. I have yet to open them, so I will be doing an unboxing for you guys as well. They also sent me a down alternative mattress topper. Very excited for this. You do have to wait about 30 to 60 minutes for it to expand to its fullness. I'm really excited to cut this out too because it expands, and like I said, some things that expand just really get my attention. I'm actually going to be sticking this in my youngest daughter's room, Presley. I don't know about you guys, but all parents sleep with their kids, so I'm going to take this one for the team and be comfortable when I sleep with my kids. So here we go. Here's this. And then I also got the queen size pillows. We're going to try those out as well. So let's get unboxing. So the first thing I decided to do was unbox the mattress topper. I was really excited to see what this looked like just because we actually have never had a mattress topper before. So I don't know. I don't really know what I was expecting, but it just came in this little roll like this. And there was like so much plastic around this that no dirt or nothing, even if this box would have went into the mud, this was wrapped in like 3 different types of plastic bags. So that was it was just good packaging. So first off, good packaging. I really liked it. But once I got to the topper, I was really impressed. It's really, really soft. It almost feels like you are sleeping on like a hotel mattress, but not like those bad hotel mattresses, like the really nice ones that you kind of like sink into. Maybe that was a bad like explanation, but it was really nice and it put a ton, it's almost like sleeping on like 5 comforters on top of your bed. I absolutely loved this. And I did wait about 30 to 45 minutes before I actually put it on top of the bed. So this is kind of a close-up of what it looks like. It is like a bunch of little pillows sewed together. I think it is really, really nice. I don't know, I just really like this. And it comes with elastic bands on each side, and it can hold from like 2 to 15 inches of mattress. So that's how far they can actually stretch out. It is super easy to put on, and it stays in place, which is what I absolutely loved. I also really liked that it is a full-size topper, but the mattress protector and the sheet all fit on top of it, so it didn't really take up a ton of sheet space. I was thinking that maybe I'd have to get a larger sheet since we're putting another topper or like another mattress almost like underneath, but it was super easy to pull together. It's a down alternative fiber mattress. It is a 2-inch topper and it is hotel quality. There is a 10-year warranty on this, and they are hypoallergenic, and they are made with light breathable fabric, soft and durable, and they are not easily torn. It does say that if you do want to wash this, you might want to put a sheet on it or just put like a mattress protector on here so it doesn't get dirty and ruined, because it does say that the cushion inside will kind of move around, so it won't be as great as what it is when you pulled it out of the box. So I'm probably not going to wash it unless I absolutely have to, and if I do, I will just put a sheet or something around it so it doesn't get ruined in the washer. And of course, we had to test it out before I put everything on here. And then this is where I'm just putting the mattress cover on. And this is actually also from Bedstory, and I absolutely love this one because when water gets spilled, it almost just sits at the top and you can just soak it right up with a washcloth. But this is where I was testing everything out to make sure the sheet and everything fit, and it does, and I was really, really excited about that. And then this is what I was most excited about because I like watching things expand when you take it out of the plastic. These are the biggest pillows I've ever had. I guess I never knew what queen size pillows were until these. They are so much larger than any pillow we have ever had. and I think I might have to get bigger pillowcases. And these queen size pillows do come in a 2-pack. They are a down alternative, premium quality. They are a 20 by 30 pillow, and you can machine wash, sun dry, or you can tumble dry these, and they will be just fine. I was also told by the company that if you do wait about 24 hours and then kind of poof and fluff the pillows after you open them up, they are going to be bigger and fluffier, and you can definitely tell in this clip versus the next clip how much bigger and how much fluffier they are. These are so comfortable, and we absolutely love using these. I just think these are really nice, and I am super happy yet again with the quality of a Bedstory. So if you guys want to check any of this out, I'm going to leave links in the description box below so you guys can. And you guys, that's it for the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy this, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.